Just left HEB, about to go ahead and get back to work. But I was just thinking, and I want to share this with everybody, reason why I got into real estate. It's a passion. When I was younger, I was like maybe 12, 13, 14. I don't remember the age. Somewhere around there. I was given one of my first jobs. And though I didn't know at that time that it was going to create this passion that I have now, it was a good family friend named Tyrone. He gave me one of my first jobs, and the job was in demolition. So what this guy would do is he would go and buy homes, and then he would fix them up and he would rent them out. Or he would buy homes, fix them up, and sell them. And he wasn't a realtor. He was more so like an investor, a flipper. And so he hired me to, demolish the homes or whatever. I was young, had a lot of energy, needed to get some energy out. And it really wasn't, that he needed my help. It was more so that he was just trying to help me out. He was teaching me stuff and trying to give me something to do when I was out of school to keep me out of trouble. So he was a good guy. And I appreciate him for that, because it put me on, it helped put me on the path that I'm on now, which is being a realtor. And later on, he taught me other things like, putting up drywall and painting, installing insulation, putting on a roof. I learned a lot about homes working with him. Another person that gave me one of my first jobs, he is one of the most important people in my life. The reason why I'm living it today, actually, was my dad. He gave me one of my first jobs. He was an electrician, and he brought me along with him on jobs, and he taught me the trade of being an electrician. Though I don't remember everything, like the right type of wattage to run for different wires and stuff like that. And I know that kind of stuff changes along with time too. But he taught me. He would take me into these homes, and a lot of these homes would be beautiful. We would install ceiling fans, run lines. I never touched anything that was like hot and anything like that. He never put me in danger. But it is dangerous work. But I would see this man climb these like really, really tall ladders. And it was crazy. Some of the things he would do, I would look at it like, which is why I'm not in electricity now. I'm not an electrician. That job is scary. But he taught me some cool things about electricity, and it put me on. It also helped put me on a path to getting into real estate, because I would see the beauty of these homes, and now I'm just really passionate about the beauty of the homes, the architecture of the homes, how the walls look, what the paint looks like, the in-depth aspects about the homes, and not only the passion that I have in regards to that sense, I also have a passion to help people. Just about every job that I had that was paid, that was an actually paid job. Not just talking about under the table paid jobs, but every job that I had that I received like a paycheck consisted of customer service, helping people solve problems, helping people find the things, what it is that they were looking for. I've done insurance, I've done property management, I've done call center work, all kind of like customer service jobs, working at Sam's Club in the sales department, in the electronics department, to help people find televisions and stuff like that, and help them find the best deals. So I've always been in something where I had to provide customer service, and I love helping people. I love helping people get the thing that it is that they're looking for, that they desire, that they want. And that's a passion of mine. Also, I would say the biggest passion of mine is being in my kids' lives. And so doing real estate, I can be able to drop what I'm doing and run to my kids' aid without having to call out from work, or without having to ask the boss, hey, can I take this time off? or getting permission to go do something. So yeah. So I love real estate because it allows me to live out every day in my passion. So what is it that you're passionate about? Please share it with us. Share it with me. Leave it in the comments. I definitely want to know. I would like to get to know you better.